welcome back to another video with Ms. Hines. For today's video, we are going to be doing a craft activity, and it includes a very special piece of equipment. We are going to be using a scissors. Now, before we get started, I just want to share with you a quick scissor safety tip. When we're using the scissors, there's a very special way that you have to pick it up and hold it. So we know that this is the handle and these are the blades. When we hold our scissors, we take our hand and we wrap it around the blades and we hold it like this. Now don't hold it in front of you, hold it to the side when you are walking. Remember, we always walk when we're holding scissors in our hand so that we can stay safe. All right, now that I've shown you how to hold it safely, this is how we hold when we cut. Thumb and two fingers. Thumb on top, and we hold it like this. Remember, we never have our thumb on the bottom. It's always on the top. So parents, if you want, you can put a sticker on their thumb so that they have to see the sticker when they're cutting, or you can draw a smiley face with a marker. All right, let's get into our craft activity. Okay, let's get this craft activity going. So, in front of us, I have things that we are going to need. So like I mentioned, we're gonna need a scissors. You're gonna need a bottle of glue, a marker. If you want to do some recycling, you can always get an old magazine and take out some very nice looking pictures, because we're gonna be cutting, and a piece of construction paper. I chose yellow because I just thought it contrasted very nicely with the blue. So what we are going to do is we are going to do first step, marker. We're going to draw some zigzag lines on our picture. So maybe I'll do 3 lines. So let's do those zigzag lines. All right, my lines are done. So don't need the marker anymore, so I can put that to the side. Next step, I'm gonna be using my scissors. So let's move the construction paper out of the way because we're not cutting that. We are gonna be cutting our picture, and we're gonna cut on those zigzag lines. So remember how I said, when we're cutting, thumb and 2 fingers, thumb on top, 2 fingers below. Right, so this is how it should look. We're gonna get our picture, and remember, we're cutting along these lines. So I'm gonna make sure that my blade lines up with that first line, and I'm gonna cut really slowly and then stop. Then I'm gonna turn my paper and my scissors so that it follows that line, and then I'm gonna turn the paper again. I'm gonna keep cutting until I get all the way to the end of this line. Notice I'm taking my time, making sure that my scissor blades are lining up on the line because I don't want it to go off. Last cut. All right, so I've just cut the top of my picture off. So I'm gonna rest it on here just so I know where it goes when it comes time for me to stick. I'm gonna speed up the rest of the video. Ready, steady, go. All right, so I finished cutting, and now it is time for our final step, which is the glue. So do you see how every time I cut out a piece, I put it down on the construction paper so that when it's time for me to glue, my picture is gonna be pieced back just like a puzzle, and it will look just like how it did before I cut it. Now, you have 2 options. You can place it out like me, where I've left a little bit of space in between each piece of paper, or you can try and stick it back on so that it matches back as one picture. Entirely up to you. but Miss Hines is going to be sticking it with little bits of space. So I'm gonna flip it over because I'm not putting glue on this side. I wanna see this side. So I'm gonna flip it over, get my glue. All right, then I'm gonna stick it on. Make sure you press down. All right, that was super duper easy and lots of fun to do. And now you've created a craft that you can put to hang up on the fridge, or you can put it on the wall. Great job, guys. I hope to see some of your recreations at your house. Send me pictures and videos. Bye.